Hey, Gennaro, did you see that game last night?
Oh yeah, I saw that game. How you did?
Man, the Eagles, they put the Giants down. Oh wait, are we on? Oh, I'm sorry. Hey everybody, this is Bob from AMBRO Manufacturing.
And I'm Gennaro.
Hey, we're here today to talk to you about polybagging, right?
Indeed.
You know what polybagging is? It's pretty simple. We take your shirt and we put it in a bag, right?
Just like that.
That's all we got. We put it in a bag. So, hey, let's show them how to do that.
All
Yeah,
right.
let's get the shirt in a... Hang on. I got a better idea, Gennaro.
Uh-huh.
How about we pretend like I'm the shirt, and then you put me in a bag?
That's a good idea.
All right, let's get moving on it. Hang on. Hey, so here we are, again, making believe like I'm the shirt, and Gennaro's gonna put me in a bag, right? You understand what we're doing here? We don't put people in bags. We're just illustrating how you put a t-shirt in a bag. Because, you know, polybagging is about putting your shirt in one of these bags. So, all right, Gennaro, remember, I'm the shirt now, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's get me in a bag here. Get. Okay, so as you can see, Gennaro over here has put me in the bag. So this is about polybagging, where we take your shirt and we put it in a bag. So I'm the shirt and I'm in the bag. So we put your shirt in a plastic bag. Hey, so you kind of get the point, right? We're not putting people in bags here, right, Gennaro? I want to make sure that's clear.
Correct.
All right, we're talking about polybagging, which is where we put your shirt right in your bag. That's what I'm saying. In case you want to sell it in a retail store, or you just don't want to get dust on it, but we put the shirt in a bag, right?
Absolutely.
All right, now listen. You know me, okay? We're not doing this for 12 shirts. We got a minimum order for this. Gennaro, what is it?
48 pieces.
You got it. It's 48 pieces is what I'm saying. So don't send me 12. Do not send me 24. And do not even send me 36 pieces. How many pieces do we need, Gennaro?
48.
That is right. All right, if you have any questions, just give me a call. It's called polybagging.